We live, gang. What up, what up? Alright. I don't like how Mi 6 is so delayed. I'm gonna have to fix that. So no, and then I'm really curious how long Mi 6 takes to send this stuff. Like, why is it so delayed? Oh my gosh. We live. Link live. Yeah, those are good shorts right there. But unfortunate. Yo, what's up? What up, what up? How y'all doing? I know that one was kind of unexpected. I don't know how Iran decides to protest us when we're like 2 signatures away from a deal, but whatever. The resistance front and Iran have set their agenda to completely block the Strait of Hormuz and activate other fronts. Nice. Went on tilt last month, damn. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Last month was something, man. I feel the same way. Dude, I don't even know the last time I passed an eval, which is kind of crazy to think. All that success just down the drain. But it's chill. It's chill. I'll figure it out. I'll get over it. I'm a big boy. Now we just wait and see. Probably don't want to start with 5 micros, maybe 4. Or I guess we'll just see what sizing. Alright. Well, don't have to worry about SMTs with ES, because ES is already through New York low.
1 minute now.
And we're almost there on NQ too. So, pretty much just... I don't know, I feel like we just took out everything just right there, that one news candle. I mean, the only thing I can see right now is if we start coming back up, we might want to take out these like kind of relative equal highs right here. We just have 4 of them. How's your break though? You feeling better? Feeling refreshed? I find a lot of the times when I take a break, it actually makes my trading worse, because then I come back and I don't realize all the stuff that's happened, and I'm like, damn. Why some specific insider gotta treat me like this? Can you guys hear the music?
Canadian manufacturing 52.
Damn, we're just going right back up.
Market on open imbalance.
Oh shit, we opened.
100, sell side 285 million. Nasdaq 100, sell side 53 million. Dow 30, buy side 11 million. Mag 7, buy side 15 million.
Yay, there's the market open. What up? What up? What up? What up, Tris? Yo, this music is fire. Let me know if it's too loud. But hey, that's the psychology is the most important part. Can't have our actions right if our mind ain't right. That's what I tell myself every day. So you made a good choice, honestly. Sometimes we just kind of forget that we just need to take some time away. It's like job, you know, we gotta take those weekends, we gotta take those vacations, just take it off trading. Yes, sir. I know we have this one right. We have this, the big 15-minute fair value gap from that news candle. Probably will, honestly. We have like so much opposing liquidity, and there we are.
Nvidia shares up 3% at the open as ARM ABIs rise
270.
12% as well.
My target, so I guess we could see what happens here. ES is like not even close to retesting it, so that's kind of a good thing. Huh. Interesting. Kind of curious what we do here. I'd go for higher. Nvidia running up, the largest company in the S&P 500 running up. Damn, bro. Microsoft gooning too. Sheesh. No, just kidding. It's just Nvidia. Nvidia just taking everyone for a ride today. Goddamn, bro. No way. Ain't no way this was the... This little thing? Shit, bruh.
Software stocks extending gains following Friday's rally.
Software carrying.
There's companies like IBM up 6%, Adobe 3%, Salesforce up 5%.
Dude, I don't know. Everything's going like straight down right now. Like straight down, straight down. The fuck? I'm so confused. The market literally taking a nosedive right now. What? Am I trolling or what in the world? Damn, it's a lot of orders up here. Too bad no inversion thus far. Yeah, this right here, this little 1 minute inversion, actually was the move. I didn't even see that. I was too busy setting shit up. Dang it. Could be done.
We have posted the S&P Canada Manufacturing PMI May report on the feed for those interested.
That's coming into London low. Did this inverse? This 15 second? This 15 second did inverse. Nah. I don't want to take it off of 15. That sounds kind of trolling.
Time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the US S&P Manufacturing PMI May final report. Forecast to remain unchanged at 55.3 with a range of 55.4 to 53.
It would be a tough day to trade. Honestly, this looks kind of bad.
The New Zealand dollar drops 1% against the US dollar to a session low.
Like, I have like targets at like kind of the 350 area. It's just I don't know how we'd get there. Like maybe trying a long off this, but it just bam, it just ripped 20 points. PMI at 10 a.m. Don't forget. Is it? Damn. Look at that, right off. Look at this. Oh my god, right off the level. I said manufacturing PMI. You're right. You're right. You're right. Damn. We might just take these highs right now, and then it's just game over for me. Oh, I guess these are the highs that I'm talking about. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really the only like target I have right now. Here comes the chop. For real, dude. I feel like if I'm trading, the trading day is gonna be choppy. The second I can't trade one day, it's gonna be the most beautiful price action we've ever seen in our lives. Anyone else feel that way? Because that's how I feel. Everything's going down right now. It's just Nvidia moving up. So I'm kind of like, the fuck? What's going on? So I'm kind of skeptical of this move up, even though we just reclaimed it. It's like, how many points drawdown is this? Like 40. Holy crap. It's a lot. Like even this is a lot. And now we just sit and wait. Oh, me 6. Oh, me 6 wasn't bad. It was like 6 minutes delayed. Let's chill. Just chill. Hey, nice. I think that was. And now we go inching back up once again. Yeah, we'll probably take it out here. That's kind of unfortunate. No entry for me. Honestly, I think it's not bad. I'm doing a lot of my like movement. I am trading TPT. I just blew those accounts, so I'm waiting for them to renew or to resub so that I can keep the 50% off discount. That's literally what I'm doing with Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, and Alpha Futures. I literally have accounts on all of them, but I blew them, and I don't want to pay the new price because it's a lot more expensive, and my old subscription is all on 50% off, so I'm just waiting for them to rebill and then reset. And I'll save like, I think just those rebills alone, I'll save like $300 if I were to compare it to if I were to just buy them. Trust me, I want nothing more than to get daily payouts again with Take Profit Trader. That is, if there's one goal that I have this year, that is one of them. But shit, man, accounts are expensive now. Like, it's so hard to just keep up because I feel like there's so many firms now all offering pretty much the same account plus or minus like a rule or two. So it's like, that's the worst feeling, dude. I remember every time I made the buffer on a Take Profit Trader account, I'd be like, let's fucking go! I'd be so hyped just because that intraday was literally killer. And then my last like my last like 5 funded accounts would take profit trader. I would just like I would do good. I would make like my $200 days, and then there'd be one day where I'm just like, not today. Today I'm him. And I would go max cons going for a scalp at market open, trying to clear that buffer immediately. And I would take one win, I'd be like, now I'm like pretty much at buffer, and I try to do it again, boom, instantly blow the account. And I'm like, okay, well, I kind of deserve that one. Yeah, okay, I get it. That's my fault. My bad. So, yeah, good times. Good times. Good times. And now we wait. Building that discipline you spoke about. I know. I think the hardest part really is, and I think that's why I'm so kind of open to posting my losses, is like on social media, all you fucking see is winners. Like you could have a great day for like where you're at in your trading. Like say you're up $300 a day in every account, and $300 is a great day. I'm not even gonna cap. And then you go on Instagram and it's like 80k day, easy 600 point trade on 10N and Q, making $900,000, and I'm like, what the fuck is this, bro? It literally gets me feeling some kind of way sometimes when you see everybody else making money, and it seems like it's like everyone's winning. It's like how come none of them are losing? And in reality is there's a reason why most people don't show this right here. This right here is the key. This right here is the key. There's a reason why so many influencers don't show it. Damn, we're just gonna chill out here, or like what's going on? So yeah, I am not gonna look at Instagram until I am done trading. That is my new motto. That's the new motto. Dang. Couldn't give me an inversion here. This one is sick. Longs. No 30-second. I don't really want to take it off the 15-second either. Yeah, this looks horrible. I have to go to the gym in like an hour. I'm kind of excited for that. Could have been one and done for the day if I took this long. Dang it. This one right here. This 1 minute inversion stops below. Would have been like 316, like 20, almost 20, almost 30 points basically. No, 7 o'clock is news. Dang, that's crazy. I haven't seen a news Monday in a while. But yeah, I definitely I would stay the fuck off of Instagram until you're done trading, especially if your feed is all flooded with trading. That shit's a fucking killer, bro. Damn, service now is at 138. Sheesh. Damn, that's a big ass candle, bro. Honestly, investing in stocks is way more fun than day trading. I don't know how many of y'all invest in the market, but when you're invested and you see your shit run, it's like that's the most rewarding feeling in the world. Like, not even kidding. Whatcom. Just sucks that What sucks? I don't know. I lost my train of thought. But like, what is this, bro? Please, I can't. Please. Oh. How did other people do? How are the other streamers doing? I love watching streams in the morning, but obviously I can't do that if I'm streaming. Let's see how do other people do. Lost, damn. Taylor low-key kind of tough, bro. Take profit trader. But yeah, I think once they rebuild, I'll have 5 accounts with trade day, 5 with take profit, 5 with alpha, 5 with tradeify. If I can pass these lucids, I might go for the last 2, and then I might, if my funded futures drops on their sale, I'll probably go for the last 3 too. And then I'm capped out from there. Oh, and then Apex. I want Apex accounts. I just it's prop accounts are fucking expensive, dude. I don't know. It's just you know. I didn't realize how much money I was burning on evals until recently, and I'm like, dang, I'm kind of over that.
Says that Iran's negotiating team is stopping the exchanges of messages with the US. Again, we did report this earlier.
Whoa.
We have posted out the US S&P manufacturing PMI May reports for those interested.
Are you just gonna grind back to all-time highs? Dude, I want to long this so bad. Yeah. The 5 Apex account bundle is kind of glorious. I really want to do the 5-pack of the 50k intraday accounts just because I'm used to trading intraday with them. At $19 an account, and then what is that? $69 per activation. That's just what, $89, which is like pretty much what I would pay full price. And my upfront cost is only 20 bucks per account. I was like, that's kind of amazing. Like at low key, that's kind of amazing in terms of just like risk. So maybe because I just been blowing up $100 accounts left and right. So I mean, maybe I just go back. They have some accounts with no activation now at 70. Yeah, but instead of paying like $70 per account, I'd rather pay $20 account, and if I pass and go funded, pay that extra $70, and it's like I'm basically paying $20 on top for like to like lower my risk. I don't know, risk reward wise, I think that makes more sense. That's how I see it anyways. I'm all about the low risk lifestyle, low risk and low cortisol. That's the move for 2026, low key. Give me a 1-minute inversion off this VWAP. Oh, that'd be kind of spooky, honestly. Yeah, maybe I get some Apex accounts for non-farm payroll. Maybe that's the move. Just see how it goes. Here's that 1-minute inversion on VWAP. Honestly, there's pretty controlled stops here, but I don't have a short target. If I were to take this, BE at 31, stops at basically 32. Nah.
With a range of 54 to 51 spot 8. The prices paid component forecast 85 from the price.
Very curious. This is the trade that I marked out right here. I think it's really low probability though, so I'm not taking it. Yeah, like giggly. Yeah, there we go. Thank goodness. See, this is why I start listening to myself when I start streaming and I start Analyze it, but who knows? Maybe this goes. But yeah, that candle definitely would have made me a little sad. But we stick to high probability type shit. I think at like 7:10, gotta make my pre-workout. It's all chopped now. Yeah, for real, dude. It sucks, cause it's like, what the fuck is this, bro? Maybe it does play out. Who knows? Damn. We're balanced all over the board, so I think maybe this was the play, but too late. It's actually not too late, but... Oh! Wow, would you look at that? The market has its ways of just, like, tickling me. Like, actually, what in the world? Ah! Ah! Could be the manipulation leg to go higher. Could be it too. Let's see. Damn. What a day. What a day in the markets. Should have taken that 1 minute inversion. No.
Warning for Israel to the Beirut southern suburbs.
No. I'd be done. What is that? 40-point trade? God damn. We'll see what happens at 7. Oh. But until then, we just sit and wait. Sit and wait. Nice. Congrats, bro. Damn.
The IDF says to hit Beirut suburbs if Hezbollah continues attacks.
Damn. What a massive candle. Down. Ah, what is that? Almost 40 points? Holy crap, dude. These candles are huge. 30 points. Damn.
So in 5 minutes time now, at
It would have been good. No. That's unlucky. Actually unlucky. This goes by.
The prices paid component forecast 85.
Damn.
Prior 84 spot.
Damn.
Employment index 48 on the prior.
Classic. Classic.
54 spot 8 on the prior.
Alright, now we're in bearish discovery. Damn. That sucks.
April forecast 0.3% and prior 0.6.
Would have been the 80s, so about 30 points. Damn, I could have taken that too. Damn, I missed it. No, I can't take this. Darn. Key level inversions are the move, man. That's crazy. They're moving really slow, but it's moving. Here we go, all the way back down. Dang it. It's funny because I don't really feel FOMO on this at all. That might be growth, gang. That might be growth. We might just be growing in this bitch. In this bit. In this bit. Yeah, I think 10 a.m. news will probably move some stuff, but I don't know. I don't think it'll be that big of a move. AMD down 5%. No. No, AMD, please. Need you to hit 10 kizzle, bruh. Everything's down except service now. Damn. Oh. Yeah, my sleep has been arse. I know. I saw Adobe was getting hammered not too long ago, though. But yeah, SAS definitely making his comeback right now, and I'm for it. I was holding service now in drawdown for like months, and then now over fucking night, I'm up 40% on my position. It's like, it's crazy. Damn it! Oh my god, he's gonna full TP right here. He's upcoming. Oh no, I should have taken the short. I should have shorted. What was I thinking? No, I'm just kidding. Kind of curious if this news candle wicks down. I'd actually be surprised if it does anything. Bro, that's gotta be the most, this thing's gotta be the most fucking annoying. Sorry about that, guys. That shit was probably loud as hell. The way this financial juice reports news is so annoying. Like, I don't need that fucking siren, bro. Dude, look at ES. ES looks horrendous.
Reports that Russia finance officials tell Putin that the war spend is unaffordable.
Oh, here we go. Here's our low of day. Damn. I might short this if it breaks this low, targeting that gap down there. But oh, it's just so, I just wish it gave me an inversion, bro. I just want one inversion, please. Oh, I love this song. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, bum. That would have been 140-point win right there. Dang it. Why am I so trash? So sucky. Just kidding. It's wild. Market seems so slow today,
So Treasuries
but
extend their drop
we're
to
literally in
55
like
cents
almost
with the
200
next
point
closing
range. Got stopped out. Dang, your stop must have been tight as hell. But yeah, this is what I was looking at. And then I took it off because I was like, oh, we missed. Off this inversion, we have VWAP, and then I was like, oh, that looks pretty good. And then I didn't take it. Oh well, whatever. Whatever. I'm chill. It's whatever. Looks like it wants to continue lower, but damn, no pullback is fucking crazy, bruh. No pullback is fucking crazy. It's so slow. Please do something. This is just crazy to me. Curious.
So again, we've posted the
I'm
US ISM
so
manufacturing May reports, as well as the
confused.
construction spending April report on the feed for those interested.
Oh, look at that. Right off the bottom of my level. It's very interesting. Holy snooze fest. This is crazy. This is like actually crazy. Can we do something, please? What in the world? Like, this is wild. Like, actually wild. Price is moving at like a snail's pace. Damn. This is wild. It's actually wild. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna make my pre-workout so I can get ready for the gym after this. Y'all will still be able to hear me, which is kind of weird. Oh man. Alright, let me know. I think the market's gonna move now that I'm away from my computer. Make sure the market doesn't move without me, guys. I hear the ticks, which is kind of concerning me a little bit.
YouGov poll, UK May year-ahead inflation expectations fall to 4.7%.
Are we moving, gang? Why do I hear so many ticks? Like, it literally sounds like we like moving. No. Wow. Like literally the second I step away from the computer, she does something. That's funny. That's too funny. Oh, oh my god. That's actually too funny. Damn. Crazy. This might be it. This inversion might be worth the risk. Let me see. How many points? That's like a, oh my god, that's a pretty big stop too. Nope. Didn't even get there. I'm chilling. Let's see if this one closes. I think I might take this. Did we breach the lows? Yeah, no, like a tick. But I don't think we're gonna get this inversion either. Right level, right at
From China's Navy,
RTH
representatives
VWAP.
of the Chinese and US militaries have held a working group meeting of the Military Maritime Consultative Agreement, or the MMCA, in Hawaii. That's happening May 28th to 29th, is when that happened.
Damn, just why couldn't it just give me that inversion right here?
The Chinese Navy said
Oh,
that
and then
two
now it's
sides
gonna
have
run
candid
without
and
me,
constructive exchanges on the current
without me, eh?
Chinese-US air and maritime safety and security situation.
Damn, that's hard. I don't like it bouncing off this 3 times.
The Chinese Navy say the two sides discussed measures to improve China-US military maritime safety and security.
Damn, missed it again. That's crazy. Oh. Like, we really don't want to inverse this 1 minute. So I'm sitting here like, damn, bruh. Maybe I just shouldn't take it, cause I don't like taking like 5 attempts to try to inverse. That just that just looks horrible. Why is the market low-key making like a symmetrical shape right now though? You guys see this? Okay. Like, what the fuck is this? We going back up? Hey, maybe that's all we need to trade. We just need to study the geometry. So you see how like we're right here? Like basically like we're right here and then we just go up. Y'all see what I mean? Y'all see what I'm saying right here? Like maybe this is the signal, guys. It's a little bumpy right here, a little bumpy right here. Same highs, and then it just goes bam. And then Trump tweets, "Deal has been made with Iran and officially signed," and the market just goes ding, ding, bing. Oh, did we finally inverse it? Oh, we did. By like a tick. I just been thinking too hard, dang it. All these ICT terms, I just needed to study the chart. Yeah, I'm not taking this either. Could play out, damn. That's just trash. This could be a 15-minute top wick to continue lower though, low key. I would like to see it tap the 3380 though, that'd be cool. Because I don't think it actually inversed. I think we're off by a tick. Oh no, we did inverse. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's see if it works. The good old orb. Could be a play, but we just aren't anywhere. We're just not moving very far anywhere. Like the market literally just doesn't want to move. Oh. Hey. Hey. What the fuck did I just say? Hey, can we clip that? What the fuck? Oh, I'm clipping that for show. That's low-key hella funny. That's low-key hella funny. Hey, if this runs to the top, dang. If I'm not live one day, you know, y'all know what happened to me. That's just crazy.
UK MTO says it's received a report of an incident 40 Newton miles southeast of Qasr in Iraq.
Bro, how are we on Newton miles? What the fuck? No, that's kind of funny though. No, wouldn't that have been hilarious if it just like ran straight up? I would have been dying. Hey, I can go live on TikTok now. Sheesh.
MTO say a cargo vessel was transiting in the Arabian Gulf when a large explosion following a hit from an unknown projectile on the starboard side.
Just doesn't make sense because I feel like TikTok shadow banned me, and now for some reason I'm allowed to go live. Makes no sense, but whatever. Don't really understand. Really, markets are buns, bro. Like straight buns right now. Yeah, trade days, new plans are kind of lit. I'm not even gonna lie. It's basically just like another version of the flex plans to add to your list. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah, they're also 50% off, no activation fee right now. It's pretty lit. I have their daily payout plan on rebill at like 60 bucks. I think if you have an option for like a daily payout plan for $60 versus the flex one. I mean, the flex one's great. It's just like 50% more expensive. So it's kind of like, But it is 3-day to pass. I think it's like 45% consistency to pass the eval, which I don't really understand. It says 0 min days to pass, but then it also says 45% consistency. So I'm like, what? Doesn't that imply a 3-day minimum pass? But I don't know. Maybe I'm stupid. But I think it's great because I think trade day is like pretty fast in their daily payouts. I think usually if you request, you'll probably get it by the time New York session opens at end of day. They've been doing good. They've been paying. I'm just curious to see what their flex. I'm just curious to see how far I get one day. Cause I think those, if you are capped out allocation with every single prop account, you are probably making a ton of money every month. And now you basically every firm is coming out with a flex plan, so it's like kind of like the best case scenario. Okay. Can we pull back? I'm down to take these longs if we could pull back, but I don't think we will. I think we'll just keep running. But yeah, Lucid's 50% off right now. Tradeify is now 35% off. Apex 90%. Trade Days 50%. Yeah. It's lit. Oh shoot. Oh, actually I can't do that now. Tradeify, Lucid is 50. I think Lucid's the best deal hands down. They're just I don't know, as a prop firm, the Lucid's just fucking killing it, bro. Can't even say much about it besides the fact that they're just killing it. Insanely fast payouts, insanely fast everything, great accounts, cheap prices. It's like I don't really know how much more you can ask from someone. Alpha futures code. Dude, I want Alpha to give me code Danzier so bad, but they won't give it to me. Unlucky.
Microsoft introduces the Surface Laptop Ultra.
Ooh, the Surface Laptop Ultra. Sheesh.
Shares holding gains up 2.5% on Microsoft.
Tradeify, Lucid, Trade Day, Apex, Alpha Futures. Am I missing anyone?
Microsoft
No, I think
reports
that's it.
the Surface Laptop Ultra is engineered with NVIDIA.
Engineered with NVIDIA. Oh, then you know that should go into the moon. Yup.
Shares extending gains up 5% now.
Really? You could just have anyone announce a deal with anybody and you just go crazy? That's insane. NVIDIA really, oh my god, NVIDIA's actually juicing, bro. Oh my god. Oh, that's what we're grinding up, is NVIDIA. Everybody else is going down, but NVIDIA's going up. This is a choppy day. Meta's back down to 610. Oh my god. There's no saving in Meta, bro. Meanwhile, NVIDIA's just gooning.
Available later this year.
You can take this 2-minute inverse? I don't even see a 2-minute. Oh, nah, probably not. We're like right in the middle of nowhere. We didn't sweep anything. It's literally just right in the middle of the range. It's literally just like a replay of what's my risk to reward. I mean, Honestly, the risk to reward's not too bad. Let me see. Coming off here again, so it's like, you know, little break it retest. But have another minute. Let's see if this would be good. We'd be breaking back down below my level at 3380, previous all-time highs, and if we close, we'd also be closing under RTH VWAP again. Risk would be like plus or minus 30. And we'd be below our pivot again. I think I would have to see it close, and I would need to see us hold below. I don't know. I don't think I could just take it off the inverse, especially since we're not sweeping anything, we're not coming off anything, but we are pretty much right back at this level right here, where it was support, and then resistance, and then blah blah. I don't know, I don't really like it. Boom, inverse. Yeah, it did inverse. We'll see. I'm not gonna take it. I don't think I'm taking a trade today. It's just not really my market conditions.
Index drops 1.2%.
Don't really have anything to trade here. Like, I don't know. I feel like I would just be going for like scraps. Yeah, we closed respecting RTH VWAP, respecting 3380, and yeah, I don't know. Part of me just says that's low probability.
Germany's Chancellor Merz is going to gather leaders to forge a NATO plan on wooing Trump. So Merz is to host the EU leaders meeting this month ahead of the NATO summit.
Oh. Is this W decision? Is this W decision?
Tried to pressure it via Lebanon and Gaza.
It would have edged the shit out of the stop loss, but nothing a little Trump news can't fix, you know what I mean? nothing a little Trump news can't fix. Trading is so funny these days.
Citing an informed security source here just on the wires again, Iran says that the US and Israel tried to pressure it via Lebanon and Gaza.
Damn. Maybe I should have just anticipated the news and just taken that short. Damn. So funny. That's so funny. Oh, just alright. I don't know. We'll see. I didn't like it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take setups that I like really like. I'm gonna try my best not to FOMO into setups. So yeah, we're also once again back at respecting RTH VWAP. So this is about to if I were in this trade, it's about to run my stop. So yep, there we go. Would have been a loss. I think it has to do with like taking the middle of the range trades. It's always hard, especially when we have other factors supporting our thesis. So, or not supporting our thesis. So. I think I'm gonna call it there for today, though. There's just I don't see myself, or I don't see anything setting up. This is pre-workout. It's a peach mango pre-workout. It's absolutely fire. I literally have to drink it every morning on stream because I go to the gym right after this and then I go to work, so I have a very short time crunch to be doing my things. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys did well today. Hope you guys stuck to your rules. No trade for me, but the only trade that I actually liked was the one up here, but I also kind of didn't like it at the same time, just because I wanted to see us take these highs right here. Unfortunate. Played out. I think the cleaner entry probably would have been the stop below right here as we got the CISD. So this close right here probably would have been the one, especially since I also closed below RTH VWAP. And I think probably this entry made more sense, but all is well. At the end of the day, I just need to remind myself that I have all the time in the world. And when you try, if there's anything you get from this stream today, you just gotta note that usually if you try to speed up the process, usually you set yourself back. And I think that is the one thing most traders don't understand, is that there's no rushing this. But with that being said, thank you guys for showing up. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you guys tomorrow unless something happens and I am like extremely tired. I don't know. Yeah. Later. Trade safe, trade well, trade with discipline, and yeah. Peace. Use code DANZER!